the golden eagle. In winter, there is just enough prey up here, dead or alive, to sustain them. But when spring arrives, the mountains are transformed. For a male and his lifelong partner, the need to find food is urgent. They have a 3-week-old chick. It needs to be fed several times a day. To do that, both parents have to hunt. Yet, even in spring, few animals live up here in the high mountains. And finding prey is not easy. But chamois, a kind of mountain goat, are here, and they are giving birth. One of their kids can weigh as much as an eagle. When eagles hunt as a pair, they coordinate their approach. One scoops, reaching a speed of over 150 miles an hour. Its attack scatters the herd, and that makes it easier for the other to select a target. A successful catch. It could still be alive. So the eagle carries it away, high over the gorge, and then deliberately drops it. The impact will kill it instantly. A chick can eat up to 1/3 of its own body weight in a day. Parents can't afford to rest for long. Taking advantage of the long summer days, eagles hunt ceaselessly. After 8 weeks, a chick is almost fully grown. And then, as summer comes to an end, the pressure on parents to feed their chicks disappears. Their young have flown the nest.